When educators participate in NOAA's Teacher at Sea program, they gain hands-on research experience working at sea with world-renowned NOAA scientists. Teachers then bring new insights back to their classrooms across the U.S., but their voyage experience is an individual one. For this weekend, several Teacher at Sea alumni come together to meet one another, to continue their education, and to share their common experience. The Southeast Region Alumni Workshop offered teachers the chance to make new connections as they shared photos, lessons, and experiences from their trips to sea. Teachers established intersections between art and science and found inspiration in the work of NOAA Chief Bosun Bruce Cowden. And while touring Hollings Marine Laboratory in Charleston, South Carolina, teachers met top scientists and got a closer look at their work. They also had the opportunity to explore behind the scenes at the South Carolina Aquarium. Alumni learned about sea turtle recovery and rehabilitation, saw ocean life from a different perspective, and met new friends. The educators traveled to Capers Island on a naturalist-led exploration of the undeveloped barrier island. They observed diverse local marine life and natural erosion on Boneyard Beach. While they may not have known each other before this weekend together, sharing their common connection provides yet another chance to amplify the experience of the NOAA Teacher at Sea program. As a result, they'll create even deeper impact on classrooms and inspiration for students around the country.